Pennsylvania, the Keystone State. It's a nickname that rings with importance, doesn't it? Like the keystone at the top of an arch, holding everything together. And believe me, there's a lot to hold together in this state. From the bustling streets of Philadelphia to the rolling hills of the Laurel Highlands, Pennsylvania is a study in contrasts. It's a place where history whispers from every corner, where innovation thrives, and where the natural beauty is simply breathtaking. Walk the streets of Philadelphia, and you're walking in the footsteps of giants. Every corner, every cobblestone whispers tales of the past, echoing the dreams and struggles of those who came before us. Ben Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, they all left their mark on this city. Their vision and leadership helped shape the very foundation of America, and their presence is still felt in the air we breathe. Independence Hall, the Liberty Bell. These aren't just tourist attractions, they're tangible reminders of the birth of a nation. They stand as symbols of freedom and resilience, drawing visitors from around the world to witness the birthplace of American democracy. But Pennsylvania's history goes back even further, to the Native American tribes who first called this land home. Their rich cultures and traditions laid the groundwork for the diverse tapestry of communities we see today. Their legacy lives on in the names of rivers and towns, a reminder of the deep connection between people and place. These names serve as a testament to the enduring spirit and resilience of the Native American people, whose influence is woven into the very fabric of Pennsylvania. From the steel mills of Pittsburgh to the chocolate factories of Hershey, Pennsylvania has always been a place where things get made. It's a state with a strong work ethic, a place where people are proud of what they do. And that spirit of innovation is still alive and, well, today. In Pittsburgh, where once steel was king, technology and healthcare are now leading the way. Across the state, small businesses are thriving, driven by the same entrepreneurial spirit that built this state. Section 4, From Farm to Table, A Taste of Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's agricultural bounty is legendary, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and ingredients that are second to none. From the farmlands of Lancaster County, where Amish farmers still work the land with horses and plows, preserving age-old traditions, to the picturesque orchards and vineyards that dot the rolling countryside, producing some of the finest fruits and wines, this state knows how to grow good food. The farm-to-table movement here is not just a trend, but a way of life, ensuring fresh and flavorful meals. And boy, do they know how to cook it. Philadelphia cheesesteaks with their juicy tender meat and melted cheese, scrapple, a savory treat made from pork scraps and cornmeal, and shoofly pies with their sweet, molasses-rich filling. These are just a few of the regional specialties that will tantalize your taste buds. And don't even get me started on the whoopie pies, those delightful cream-filled treats that are a staple of Pennsylvania Dutch cuisine. Each bite is a journey into the heart of Pennsylvania's culinary heritage. Pennsylvania's beauty, but for all its rich history and thriving industry, Pennsylvania is also a place of stunning natural beauty. The Allegheny Mountains, the Pocono Mountains, the Laurel Highlands. These majestic ranges offer breathtaking vistas and endless opportunities for adventure. These are just a few of the places where you can escape into the great outdoors. Whether you're an avid hiker, a casual nature lover, or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Pennsylvania has something for everyone. Hike through forests ablaze with fall colors, where the leaves turn into a vibrant tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a mesmerizing landscape. Paddle down a lazy river, letting the gentle current guide you through serene surroundings, perfect for a relaxing day out on the water. Or simply sit back and enjoy the view from one of the many scenic overlooks, where you can take in the vast expanse of Pennsylvania's natural splendor. Pennsylvania's natural beauty is a balm for the soul, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a reminder that there's still wildness to be found, even in the heart of the East Coast. From the rolling hills to the dense forests, Pennsylvania's landscapes are a testament to the enduring beauty of nature.